Hey guys, I know the lighting's really bad in this room and I sound like a man, but I'm ill. So if you've been following me on Twitter, you probably know this already, but I've been lying on my deathbed since Monday, so there's no stories ready to be made. So I'm sorry about that, but I thought I'd show my face on the channel so I don't get punished, you know. And I think there should be punishments for Hannah and Amy, because Amy's story is non-existent. So yeah, sorry again guys, and also sorry for the tapping in this video, but I don't know what it is and I can't get rid of it. So yeah, see you next week.